Okay, welcome. Today we're going to show you how to check the amount of continuing education credits that you currently have. To do that, you're going to go to the website myfloridalicense.com/DBPR, and this is the website that will come up. You're going to go to My Account. If you're new, you're going to need to create a profile, and once you've done that, you're going to use the email address that you use to create that profile in order to log in. And once you're logged in, you're going to select your license that's under either your broker, sales associate, or just a regular sales associate license. And over in this column, you're going to click on View My Continuing Education. And here it's going to show you a record of what you've completed so far this year. Requirements are in this column. What you've completed are here. And then the shortfall would be what you still have to complete to satisfy your hours. The requirements are 14 credits, and you have to include business ethics and core law. It also tallies your excess hours that are completed, and if you want to go back and see what you've taken as far as courses the years prior, it does keep track of that as well. So it's as simple as that, and all of those credits can be taken here at your local board at Naples Area Board of Realtors. Thank you.